Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a bucket in Farmstead. To start, you'll want to make your way to the town area in the game. Once there, look for the tool vendor, who is typically known as Brooks or the blacksmith. Engage with this friendly vendor to view the various tools they have for sale, including the essential bucket, which is crucial for your farm's success. After finding the vendor, navigate through their offerings to select the bucket. This crucial item is usually available for a specific amount of in-game currency, so make sure your wallet is ready with enough coins. Once you've confirmed your selection, the empty bucket will be added directly to your inventory, ready for its first use on your growing farm. With your new bucket in hand, proceed to a nearby well on your farm or in other accessible locations. Simply interact with the well to fill your bucket with fresh, clean water. This filled bucket is vital for keeping your farm animals hydrated, allowing you to easily water your chickens and cows to ensure their well-being and happiness. The bucket plays a significant role in the success of your farm, directly impacting your animals' health and output. Consistent watering ensures your chickens lay eggs and your cows produce milk regularly. For greater efficiency, especially with a growing farm, acquiring several buckets can streamline your watering routine, saving you valuable time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.